Problem 8-23. So in this problem, we are given 3 points to graph and make a triangle. So I went ahead and used the E tool and graphed the points to make this triangle here. So that's the first step, is graph that triangle, and then it wants us to dilate the shape by multiplying each coordinate by 2. So, and then it also wants us to list the coordinates. So we might as well start by writing down the old coordinates in the XY table, so X and Y. So the first point is 0 and 1. Next one is 3, 2. And the last one is 2, 4. So to dilate the shape by 2, remember we need to multiply each of these coordinates, both the X and the Y, by that number 2. So let's do a little arrow, right, times 2. So we remember what we're doing here, and then we can make a new XY table. So the first one is going to be 0 times 2, which is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 again. And finally, 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So we took each of these coordinates, both the X and the Y, and just simply multiplied them by 2. And then let's have a look at what that would look like on the graph. So we can enter in the coordinates here. So 0, 2, 6, 4, 4, 8, and then in this we're going to have to loop it back to 0, 2, just how, sorry, 0 and 2, it's just how Desmos works. And so now we end up with this bigger triangle up here. Alright, so those are all the points plotted to draw the 2 triangles, and then finally asks us what we notice about the sides of the 2 shapes. So if you remember back to when we were doing dilation, one thing you should notice is that the sides are proportional. So this side, or I guess this side here, is twice as long as this side, and this side is twice as long as this side, and it's true for all of them. The bigger shape, each side is twice as long as the corresponding side on the original shape. Another thing to note is that all the corresponding sides, the lines are parallel. They both go in the same direction.